for today's video, gawa tayo ng chicken air fryer with this one with tomato sauce. I'm using the marinara sauce for the toppings, guys. But before that one, guys, kanyayin mo natin yung chicken, guys. So, ito na, guys. Clean na siya, guys. Tapos nating minatilyo yung chicken, guys. Hatiin natin, guys. Ayan. Ganyan lang, guys. Air fryer chicken. Ito na yung finish pa na pinapako natin na ano, guys, na breast chicken, guys, kanina. Ayan na, guys. Ready na yan, lagyan ng breadcrumbs saka egg. Ayan. Dapat manipis lang siya, guys. Pinapako na breast chicken. Yan, gidukdok ba, guys? Gidukdok. Dukdokon siya ba para mag-soft bitong iyang texture. Wanaon siya, guys. Dukdokon. Imos lang poston o katong nylon. Plastic nylon, guys. Ayan ni mo dukdok o martilyo. Or anything sa mo idukdok diha. So, guys, ito na yung ipang ano natin, guys, ipang ingredients natin sa air fried chicken with marinara sauce. Ito yung breadcrumbs, guys. Yung tinatawag ng breadcrumbs. Pero lagyan natin to ng ano, parmesan cheese. Ito, powdered parmesan cheese. At nang may lasa siya, guys. Ayan. Depende sa ano, quantity ng lutuin ninyo. Sa rami na ilalagay nyo na ano. Sa akin to, guys, 1 kilo man itong ginagawa ko, guys. 1 kilo. Ayan. Hindi na sa'yo, guys. Parmesan cheese to, guys. Powdered parmesan cheese. Tsaka breadcrumbs. Ayan, guys. Pinahalo na natin, guys. Ayan, halo na. Tsaka ito naman, guys. Beaten egg. Huwag lagyan na kung ano-ano, guys. Egg lang talaga yan, guys. Egg lang. Ayan. So, start na tayo, guys, maglagay ng ano, guys. So, start na tayo, guys, maglagay ng breadcrumbs saka eggs sa ating chicken air fryer. Ganito lang yan, guys. Oh. Una, lagay mo sa ano, guys. Ito yung ano, chicken natin, oh. Una, lagay mo sa itlog, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Itlog. Need mga just a seconds, guys. Para naman ayan, itlog niya, guys. Lagyan natin sa breadcrumbs na guys. Pwede na. Lagyan sa breadcrumbs. Ganyan na guys. Lagyan sa breadcrumbs. You can make it at home guys. It's very easy guys. Affordable price pa guys. It's easy for you to make guys. For your kids and your family. Easy lang to guys. Ganito lang. So guys, ito na yung pinangkutid natin ng beaten egg tsaka egg crumbs. Breadcrumbs na may parmesan cheese. Ayan na guys. Ready to, ano na guys, put in the air fryer or long fry. It's for you to choose guys, whether it's long fry or air fryer. But for us guys, it's air fryer. Because it's healthy guys. Air fryer kasi guys, ang ginagamit, spray lang na ano, na oil. While ang long fry, naka-long fry siya sa oil guys. So, yung ano niya, yung laman niya, sa chicken, sa ilalim, mamantika. So, you must be wise to choose guys. Just for the safety of your kids and your children guys. Okay guys? Ready to put in the air fryer guys. So, lagay na natin guys. So, ito na guys, ready na guys to air fryer guys. Lagay natin sa 200, ano, naka 300 Celsius, taka 9 minutes. Ayan guys, 200 degrees Celsius, then 9 minutes. So, press the button. So guys, ito na yung naka-air fryer na chicken scallop guys. Chicken scallop ang tawag niyan guys sa air fryer chicken scallop. Ayan. Lagyan na natin ang yung toppings niya na marinara sauce tsaka mozzarella cheese. So guys, let's put the marinara sauce guys. This is what I'm using guys, marinara sauce. Lagyan na naman natin ng shredded mozzarella cheese. Here's what I'm mixing this. So guys, ito na guys, ready na po put in the oven guys. Ready na yan guys, put in the oven guys. Lagyan natin sa oven for ano guys, for 15 minutes guys, na mag-melt lang yung cheese niya. High fire guys, 212 degree lagay sa oven guys. Kasi 20 minutes lang naman eh. Para lang mag-melt ang cheese niya. Para lang yan, para lang pizza. Ganun. Okay guys, let's go! Is it guys? Tapos na guys. Ito na yung ready to eat ito guys. Napaka-yummy yan guys. May ano na kayo guys. May idea na kayo guys about Christmas. Pwede kang pag Christmas, New Year, birthday, all occasions guys. Pwede to guys. Napaka-yummy to guys. Oh, yan guys. So, enjoy watching guys. I hope ay natutunan kayo guys sa aking video ngayon. Shout out sa lahat ng viewers ko. I love you all guys. Maraming salamat sa mga suporta guys na walang pagsawa. Lalong-lalo na sa aking tatlong pinakamamahal na mentor. Maestro Amboy Obrero, Maestra Oyamo Channel, o si Maestra Joel's Vlog. I love you three. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Have a good time. Bye.